Not yet. When it's already done. Ayusin mo ha. Ayusin mo mag-sing ha para may surprise si mama. Ayusin mo talaga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, mama.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you so much, Ma.
Thank you. Do you miss me?
Yes.
Ano handa mo, Mang?
Surprise! Surprise!
Ay, nagingi na ng surprise. Kaya sabi ko, pag magkanta siya ng maganda, may surprise pagkata. Doon ka, kausapin mo muna. Mamaya, bigyan kita surprise. Dali. Dali, oh.
Gusto ko yung ano. Gusto ko yung bahay kubo. Bahay kubo.
Yung bahay kubo. Dali. Yung bahay kubo mo. Yung bahay kubo mo. Dali.
Bahay kubo, balik ka tulog. Bahay kubo, balik ka tulog. Bahay kubo, balik
Marami ka bisita, Mang?
ka bahay kubo.
Ano ba?
Marami ka bisita?
Marami. May nagbigay ng lechon. Marami akong bulaklak. Okay.
Yung lechon pala na binigay namin.
This,
Kaya kami, nagbigay ka ng lechon. May nagbigay ng lechon.
Ah, kuyawa, oy.
this.
Which one?
Bigay.
Ah, sige na, magbabay ka na kay Mang.
Bye.
Nag-ano, trabaho. Mag-uwi na yun ngayon.
The best one.
Sige na, I love you sa inyo dyan, oh.
Babay na kay Mang.
Best one.
Magbabay ka muna kay Mang. Busy ka masyado.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, pa. Magbabay ka.
Magbabay ka kay Upaw.
Bye, Upaw.
Kantahan mo happy birthday.
I love you. I miss you.
Ngek. Birthday ni Mang. Anong wish mo para kay Mang? Mang, sana. Anong wish mo?
Sama na happy si Mama.
Ano?
Na happy si Mama.
Mang, sana mahal mo si Mama? Ngek. Ngek. Masarap ba ang surprise ni Mama sa'yo? Sinuhulan guys para kantahan niya talaga ng maganda. Ang birthday girl. Sino ang birthday today?
No.
Si Mang. Anong i-gift mo kay Mang? Anong gift mo para kay Mang?
Baby Lucas.
Ay, si Baby Lucas ang i-gift mo kay Mang. Nandoon man sa heaven si Baby Lucas. Nandoon siya sa heaven. Hindi niya pa rin makalimutan ang kapatid niya, guys ba?
Why?
Kasi naglaro sila ni Papa Jesus. Si Baby Lucas sa heaven. Papa's turn. Mag-sing ng happy birthday. Pugi na siya. Okay, may lakad tayo today. Surprise for you.
Why?
Secret, baka ma-spread.
Why?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Garner. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, Mang!
Lechon!
Yes, yummy lechon. Oh. We miss you, especially now that you have lechon. Bye.
Alam mo, may surprise kami sa'yo kasi birthday ni Mang, Bebe Love. Uy, may surprise kami sa'yo kasi birthday ni Mang. Eh, let's go. It's a surprise. Ina, go. Go.
Secret, baka mautot.
Ngek, secret baka mautot. Secret baka ma-spread. Parang birthday mo ah. Birthday mo ba or birthday ni Mang? May storm po dito, kapangit ng panahon. Pero,
The planter of the neighbors fell onto our thing.
really? Ligo si Inday Garnet guys, kay birthday ni Mamang. Nagbigay po tayo ng paletsyon po sa kanya, kami ni Flexi. Galing po sa Garnet Lupa, regalo po namin kay Mamang no. Actually, mga 3 weeks ago hanggang nung isang araw guys, nagbabalak po talaga ako na umuwi ng Pilipinas na ako lang po mag-isa para sa birthday po ni Mamang, mag-surprise po sana talaga ako, kaso wala pong makabantay kay Nathan. Yes, Kaya naminghoy guys. I-surprise ko sana ang nanay ko ba. Bukas na natin pag-usapan. Huwag na muna magdrama-drama ngayon. Bukas na sa mga susunod na vlog.
What's the drama?
Nothing, there's no
No,
drama.
tell me, what's the drama? Now
No,
I want
but
to
that
know.
I wanted to surprise my mom
Oh.
in the Philippines, but no one can take care of Nathan. 1 week lang sana ba, mag-uwi ako to si Daniel, may trabaho. Next time na lang, if Nathan can already cook rice himself, then I will go to the Philippines alone. Pag
Yeah,
makasaing
so
na
he
siya.
can cook for me.
Yeah, then he can cook for you.
They stop this meat. It got me go.
Oh, okay. But Mama will teach you.
I want to with you.
Oh, you want to go with me in the Philippines? Uwi sana talaga ako. Grabe, nagutingin-tingin ko ng mga ticket, guys. Surprise ko sana si Mamang. So, ang birthday ni Mamang today is for Nathan. May surprise kami sa kanya. You know where we're going. You know where we're eating. What do you want to eat tonight? Huh? We're celebrating the birthday of Mang. But we will do all your favorites.
I want pink lollipop.
Pink lollipop for
Pink lollipop
dinner.
for dinner.
For dinner. Kala ko ang sabihin niya. Kaya surprise natin sa kanya. Hindi niya alam na mag-ano kami mamaya. Hindi normal. Kailangan nating tumakbo guys. Kaya ang ano namin 15 minutes lang. Tapos kalayo ng pinagparkingan. Puno ang city. Kasi bakasyon pala. Bakasyon pa rin ang yes.
Because you were making yourself beautiful.
Naligo kasi ako.
Because you are so long in the bathroom.
Takbo na din sila. 15 minutes malayo na pagparkingan kasi bakasyon pa rin po ngayon. Yes. 1 week na bakasyon ang mga bata. Ngayon, birthday ni Mamang sa Netherlands. Ay, may storm man. Grabe ang hangin. Ulan.
Think let's start.
What our secret is that?
Yeah.
We're watching Gabi. Wow. Wow, manood tayo sa malaking TV. Nagulan saglit ng napakalakas. Wow. Grabe guys, takbo namin. Uy. May ano pala ngayon, market day. Because it's Friday. Manood po kami ng sine. Yung Gabi, the movie. Paborito po kasi yan ni Nathan guys. Malapit na tayo. Alauna po yung ano natin, yung reservation. Puno nga. Maraming manood. Puno po yung ano natin. Dito na tayo. Ito yung mga popcorn nila guys. Oh. Popcorn. Ito naman nachos. Yung kay Nathan combo. Gusto niyo yung may surprise daw. Popcorn tsaka may drink na. Are you happy we're watching Gabi? Yes. Yeah, they're not making it fresh anymore.
the previous theaters, they have the popper, like pop, pop, pop,
Yeah.
pop.
No, not anymore. There. Who's there? We're here. Look there. Nag-popcorn na siya. Ang nakalagay po dito, popcorn. Tapos meron siyang apple juice. And meron siyang, ewan, ano yun. Ang dami masyadong ano dito. Pamilya talaga ang nanonood guys. Ito kasama sa box niya. Meron pong tato at meron ding raisins.
Je was mijn beste vriend, Vera. Je zei dat we samen zouden blijven. Maar toen wou je niet meer met me spelen.
Tapos na po ang movie. Andun si Nathan sa Kids Corner. Pinalaro na po muna namin. So, how was the movie? You liked it?
Sure.
Pangbata masyado. Nathan! Hi! Now, what do you want to do? Let's go to the city. Walking. Ah, you need to pee. Can you make him pee, mahal, please? Andun na din ang tatay o nakimarites. Grabe kasaya ng anak ko, guys. Show them your OOTD. Kay kapugi mo to, Debbie. OOTD. But look, guys. The belt of Nathan. Show them. Ang belt.
Oh.
Ay, kawawa.
Titi.
Liston, guys. Ng sapatos. Ewan, kanino pa yung liston? Bakit kaliit niyan? Kaliston kay wala siyang belt. Tapos yung pants na nabili ko po sa kanya, medyo malaki ba? Nag-order pa ako. Nag-order po ako online. Para sa kanyang ano, stretchable belt. Yung mga pangbata na belt. Nag-order ako dalawa.
Stretchable belt for me?
Oh, Nathan. Why you also need belt?
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Because that one is not good anymore.
Okay. So where are we going now?
In the toys.
Ah, sa mga laruan na naman nila, syempre. Look, oh, super nice weather now. Kanina, gabi ang hangin. Very stormy, pero kagabi ay kakaiba. Marinig niyo po talaga sa bintana. Grote speelgoedboek? What is that?
Dat is het boek waarin staat dat jij je jas dicht moet.
Grabe ang mga pa-art nila dito, guys.
Oh, tutoy.
Yeah, tutoy. You like that? Like that tutoy? Not so saggy? Still up? Hindi pa nagbitay? Ay, mga ano nila dito, oh. Mga kaganapan niya.
Staring at you, Maha. You are just not looking.
He was staring at me? He's staring for everyone.
Yeah, but you are walking right next to him, like this close.
Oh. Jealous?
I just don't want my wife to be groped.
What is
Ah.
that? Ha? Mm. Busy sila dito, guys. Pinter toys. Marami ka na masyadong board game, Bebe Love. Laruin mo muna lahat yun. You have a lot of board games at home.
Papa, oh.
Yeah, and Papa also.
Because you want a board game, right?
Nah, magbili man pala. Why, what's in this, mahal?
This is the speelgoedboek.
Speelgoedboek. Ah, that's free? That's free? Ito yung pinanood po namin kanina, si Gabi. Hintingin lang yan siya. Ito lang kinuha natin ng free pa nga yan eh. He can play with that, mahal?
No, he can look in that to choose toys that he likes.
Ah, I thought like a puzzle book, like that
Well,
stuff.
there's also puzzles and stuff in it, but it's a little bit young for that. But this is just like, it's the toys that they have. Like there's Dora, there's Gabby,
I like
there
that.
is just a coffee machine,
Kala ko jud ano.
drawing,
Uncle Teresa.
Lego.
There.
You have a lot of toys, Baby Love.
I want this.
It's not your birthday. Maybe next birthday, okay?
This cry. There's cry.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you can ask Sinterklaas. Oh, malapit na mag-Sinterklaas. Yung ano, bago po mag-Christmas, di ba meron silang paano dito, yung parang exchange gift nila. Ha? Ask Sinterklaas, what do you want from Sinterklaas, Baby Love? Which one? Which one do you want from Sinterklaas?
This and this.
Agoy kadami, isa lang. Isa lang din. Only one.
Two and
Wala. Two for you.
Yes.
Nako. And what are you saying, ma?
So that's kind of fun. Look, these are remote control tiny cars, and then you get a track to play on the table.
Ah. Nasa Pinas tayo ngayon. Nag-dessert na sana siguro ako ng macaroni. Macaroni salad. Kain na tayo ng lechon. Sige lang. Next time na lang. Bella, what do you want for dinner?
sushi.
Huh? Sushi? Okay. Wow, we're eating sushi for dinner.
Now?
Na 30 minutes pa. Mag-wait pa tayo. Bigla lang po siya nagsigaw-sigaw kanina. I want sushi. I want... Grabe ang cravings nitong anak ko. Kakaiba. Gutom na to si Nathan. Kaya hindi masyado to nagkain ng lunch. Alas 4 pa kasi ang bukas nila doon. Tapos yung reservation po namin 4:30. So alas 4 pa lang doon na tayo. No? Si Daniel nagpunta po doon sa kanyang palasyo. Nagtingin-tingin na muna. Dito kami ni Nathan sa CNA, guys. Magtingin-tingin tayo ng brief niya. Alas 6 lang dito. Nagtingin ako ng brief sa H&M, mahal. Bebe Love, let's try this, Bebe Love, for the cold. Just try, okay? Come here. Just try. Hala! Kapugi naman pala!
There's really swollen.
Ay, Diyos ko. May padikwatro pa siya. Pina-cellphone ko na muna kay para makatingin-tingin tayo dito. Diba may pasuri pa siya. I don't want this, sorry. Ganda din po. Hindi na muna tayo magbili-bili. Dami pa siyang mga pa-coat-coat. Nagbili din ako pala sa H&M. Kabili pala ako, guys, ng kanyang sweater sa H&M. Nag-ano kasi sila 20% sale. Kaya binili ko na. At saka ng sando. Wala pa man si Daniel. Dito na po muna tayo sa market. Friday, it's market day. Anong mga benta nila dito? Ano yan? Laurel yan? Hindi, olive. Baka makabili pa tayo ng ano gulay dito. Or isda, manimaho, makamasira ang isda kung magbili tayo, no? Hala, grabe na naman ang hangin, hindi normal. Ramdam niyo ang hangin, guys. Ang mga benta niya. Kunti na nagibenta nila dito. Paganda ng ano, pamangga nila, Bakit man yan? May papaya din, pero hinog. Magkano kaya to? Nawakan niya na good, Kaya maglipad na. Meron silang nukos. Parang kasarap. Manimaho doon. Papunta tayo sa restaurant. Magdadala ng nukos. Radish.
Mama, Peppa.
Oh, si Papa nagtawag. Very good. Nagtawag ang tatay niya. Mahal? Wait. We're in the market now. Buti na lang, sinasabi niya na po ngayon, kay nung huli, pinagalitan ng tatay, kay nahuli siya na habang tinitingnan, pinapanood niya ba, tapos tumatawag si Daniel. Pinapatay niya ang tawag. Tapos ang tatay niya, hinahanap na kami. Tapos nung nandoon na siya, nandoon na po si Daniel sa amin, kasama na namin siya, tinawag-tawagan niya nga. Tapos pinapatay ni Nathan. Di, napagsabihan siya na ibigay sa nanay kapag tumatawag siya. Let's go. You know, he's not turning it off anymore. He said, Mama, Papa is calling.
Good.
Yeah.
But it's still too early to go.
Still early?
Yeah.
What time is it?
45.
Nah, they're open.
No, they're open at 4.
Let's just walk little by
Yeah,
little.
walk to homes here.
Malapit lang dito ang bahay ni Siyard, guys. Yung ano nga, yung boat niya. Diyan papunta ang bahay ni Siyard, guys. Pero maglipat pa yan siya. Lipat pa yan. Maybe they're not there. Sama niya ang girlfriend niya.
It's time to go, right?
Right?
Just say hi and then we go back again. Or you want to just walk through the thing
Yeah,
now?
just walk, mahal. We're hungry, my love. That's fine.
Okay.
Take a picture, mahal, and send it to him.
So then,
Andyan lang, Gutom na kasi itong isa. Kaya pinaselfone ko naman ba? Kaya kanina pa sabi, sushi, mama, sushi. Andun po ang boat niya, mga pang-apat. Baka puntahan nyo si Yard, ha? May girlfriend na yun, guys. Joke. Maglipat din yan siya. Ewan kailan, inaayos pa yung battery ng boat na nabili niya. Ha?
you're saying I'm at the trash company. He's throwing away stuff.
So he's not home. Maybe they want to go with us. Oh, wala. Laban lang guys para sa sushi. Uy, storm talaga siya in fairness. Hindi po pwede yung girlfriend ni Sierra doon. Sayang bayad guys. Eat all you can tapos puro gulay yung kainin niya. Diba? Kamahal pa naman ng eat all you can dito. Look at all the leaves! Oh my gosh, it's fall!
Yeah, don't you have that in the Philippines?
Are you happy with your joke?
Yes, very much.
Look at all the leaves. Maganda sana magpunta tayo sa forest guys. Yung pinuntahan po namin dati nung wala pa po si Nathan. Ganda yung doon ba?
Told you, it's not yet open.
Wow! Yeah, that's the sushi. The super yummy sushi. But they're still closed, baby love. We can try. To open. What time is it now?
Or almost one.
Oh, it's still closed. Almost 4. Oh, it's open. Oh. Wow, we're sitting here.
Wala siya dyan.
Sige na, magsing ka ng maligayang bati kaya magkain tayo ng sushi. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pinagayang bati, pinagayang bati, pinagayang bati.
Biyagayang, maligayang.
Maligayang bati. Bati?
Bati.
Bati. Maligayang bati, mang.
Dating mag, iyo ko na pa.
Yeah.
Why not maligayang kain?
Maligayang kain.
Because
Ngek.
that's what you do on a birthday, right? You eat.
Pogi mo naman today.
What?
You're so pogi today.
Yes.
Which sushi do you want?
the orange
Yes,
and
do
the
you want
end of the black.
Okay.
You want the soju sushi or the cocktail sushi? Happy birthday.
Kay mama also. Happy birthday, Mang.
Mama,
Happy birthday, mom.
Pili na siya. Oh. Oh, wow. Yummy. Huwag ka na mag-sushi. Mag-chopsticks. Magkamay-kamay muna. Alam mo ba ang mga Japanese nagkakamay ng sushi? Hindi sila nagagamit ng ano. Alam nyo ba yan, guys? I also ordered this. You want to try this, baby na? With the black sushi too. Lakihan mo. Try. You need lighter? No. That's all. You want more of that?
then this one.
Yeah, also for you.
Down.
Then that's maybe very nice, right? I will eat this. You don't want it?
Just for you.
I'll make the steak and the rice.
Okay. And also the steak. You like that? Okay.
I think I got another
Laban pala. Wow.
And also this.
Laban. Uy, hindi tayo malugi dito sa iyo ba? Tama na, kay buto na lang yan. Ang lahat ng order niya. Wait lang, ilagay ni mama sa'yo. 1, 2, and black sushi for Nathan. And more black sushi. And steak. Enjoy! Nagustuhan niya na yung steak.
Oh.
One for you na. Day, oh, paborito mo, Day. Maricel. Yummy.
How's Jason? How you Jason? Jason, you have no food there.
Okay. Do you understand?
Don't eat this.
Don't eat this one, you still have food there. This one.
Makikin, Day, sir, for mine. And then they can order again.
If you want, we can share this one.
Down.
This one is less crispy.
Oh, you're less crispy.
Yeah. Mamaya na naman, baka mabusog ka na. Supa ka dyan. Uy.
Nice. They put the big piece on top. I like it.
He ate my sushi.
Yep. Because you made him like sushi instead of French fries, Mahal. You know, normal kids, they want French fries and pancakes. This one wants sushi.
Akin yung kinain niya. Akala ko tapos na siya kaya pina-cellphone ko. Hindi pa pala.
So instead, Mahal, instead of just eating at home and making French fries in the air fryer, we need to go out to eat with him because that's what he wants.
Fish.
You the black and orange.
Which one do you want?
The orange. And you?
The black. That's the last one, huh? Because you are very full. I'm afraid that you will puke, baby love. You want sausaw?
Happy birthday to your wife. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to your wife. Grabe, ma'am. I'm sobrang ano
Oh,
ma
that's Dutch. I forget that that's only you Dutch people who do that.
that you congratulate
Yeah.
the husband too. Look
And
guys.
father and son and everybody.
Meron pa tayo. Last na yan. I'm not ordering anymore, mahal. I'm super full now.
You're not eating that?
I am. You're eating with
But
me?
you said you're so full. No, I'm not. I told you I am not eating.
Busog ka guys! Uy, nabusog ka! Ito, grabe ito oh! Hataw ka, hataw! Hindi tayo malugi sa'yo. Ah, si Daniel oh, nanarado na oh.